Well, good morning everybody. I hope you guys are all doing very, very well. So yeah, beautiful day. We are going to go retrieve another game camera, and let's cross our fingers there's something on it. So also got my drone with me. It's such a beautiful day. I thought I'd get some drone shots. So stick around, should be some interesting stuff coming up. So yeah, we're in one of my favorite areas. It's just full of cliffs. I've done a lot of trials videos around here. Sun's probably in your eyes there, so. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna go retrieve the game camera, but I'm a little worried because I see a lot of car tracks in here, and there's not normally hardly ever car tracks in here. I don't even know when hunting season is and all that stuff. I don't keep up on that kind of stuff, but we got to go down through a bit of a jungle here. And then there's a bit of a gnarly climb over here on the big dual sport, but I think we can handle it. I put it in a bit of a precarious spot this time. So like what I mean is it's in a little bit of an open area. So I hope hikers or someone didn't find it, because I'd be out some loot. But hold tight while we navigate this sort of sketchy hill. I always go slow and keep your traction. Don't break traction with your rear tire if you can help it. See how the engine lugs down? That means you're getting traction. Okay, where am I here? Oh, it's there. Can you guys see it? You probably can't see it. On that tree right there. Nice. So I'm going to trigger it right now, obviously, but see, this nice path is why I wanted to put it here. Cool, cool, cool. So yeah, you guys, check this out. This is awesome here. Where are we? Can you see that? It's been triggered 15 times. So, and there's not a lot of trees, you know, not a lot of wind to set it off in here. That's kind of why I chose it. So as I was putting that camera away in my bag, you guys, I turned around and looked, and look at this stump. You can see that's very, very fresh. So something has been digging in there. And I'd lay money on the fact that it's probably another bear. Or I don't know what dig, maybe cats dig too. I don't know much about all the animals, but it's directly in line with where my camera was. So that is really cool. Let's keep our fingers crossed, and it really gives you shivers up your spine, because if you think your camera's catching all this stuff and it happened right there, that animal could literally be like right there somewhere. So very cool. I can't wait to get home. I should mention, you guys, I'm planning on doing a how-to on going up mossy covered. See all this bedrock in here is pretty slick. And I actually made a jump rock there to get up on that cliff here a couple years ago. And I was going to do a how-to on this kind of stuff. I know it'll be a more advanced one, but you guys definitely let me know about the how-tos, because I want to do a whole bunch of them, but it's not always easy to pick a topic. You know, I don't know how many pros I have and how many beginners, but I'm just going to do a bunch of everything, and hopefully I cover it all. So right on, you guys. Kind of a neat view from along this road, though. You can start to see Okanagan Lake over there, which I don't normally see on these rides. I'm actually heading south, and normally I head up, and there's a good view of that peak. You can see that, you guys? Isn't that beautiful? That's 4 videos ago or something, the big mountain ride. That's the top of it there. It looks crazy from here. Hey, it just looks like a big giant rock. And then all the beautiful cliffs in the valley back in there. Really nice. Can you see those 3 lines? Well, I don't know why I'm asking. You guys can't reply right now, but you can see 3 lines in the lower mountain right there, and another big one. Those are hills I actually started with my dad. Oh my gosh, I bet you I was under 10 years old probably. To me, those were the most insane big mountains I'd ever seen, and nowadays it's like zip, like nothing. Here's some more logging devastation. This isn't literally, it looks like a nuclear bomb went off. I guess that's as clean as they have to leave it. I don't know. To me, it looks like a friggin' disaster, but whatever, it is what it is, isn't it? I got an epic single track back up in there that we're gonna have to go mess around with soon. Oh, you hear that eagle's got something to say, or whatever kind of bird it is. He's a beautiful one. Wonder what he's fussing about. Anyways, beautiful spot here, minus the logging, but I used to have wicked trails that came over the bluff there, and then there's a bit of a swampy area back in there, and then there's some massive beautiful cliffs right along here. It's kind of hard to see, the sun's right in your eyes, I know that, but nice spot to pop the drone up. I haven't done it from this angle before, and there's a bunch of lakes in the back here, so let's do that. Let's splice into some drone footage right now. I'm gonna put a link, you guys, to a video right here in the cards. You see when that pops up to a video, it goes on my single track, so I can't remember exactly where it went, but it went under the cliff and it went all the way along the bench over here. And I did it on my Husqvarna, that video, on my 250. Gosh, I can't even remember when right now off the top of my head. I think it was 2015 or 14. But it's one of the first edits I did on my YouTube channel, you know, where you film off bike. So I put the camera in all the trees. I don't think there's hardly any onboard filming. It's all done with me putting the camera in all the trees. You should really have a watch, because I put more work into that video probably than any other video I've ever made. A lot of people don't realize how much work it is to set the camera up and then ride by the camera and then turn around and go pick it up and then do it again and turn around and go pick it up. It literally probably takes 80 hours of editing between, you know, with the riding and the filming and editing, and yeah, it's pretty crazy, so have a watch. Cool, cool. You gotta watch these kicker. These they're for drainage. They'll you know, for runoff when there's lots of water, that's where they put those ditches. They also deactivate the road that way. You gotta watch those mud ruts too. They'll put you on your head quicker than you can say boo. Beautiful area though. I just absolutely love it over here. I don't come up here that often, but I think I'm gonna start coming up here more often. It's actually the old road down there. Maybe I'll do a vlog on that road one day. It goes up and around and comes out to a beautiful valley way up over there. Actually, I'll put a link to that video as well, you guys. That's one of the first places I ever learned to use my drone. You know, in the follow me mode, I had it following me around the valley there. It was pretty cool. You can actually select yourself on the phone. You know, you can select a square or box on the drone screen, well, your phone screen. You could select a box and then hit go, and the drone will actually track you without any input. It's pretty crazy. Nice to see a tiny bit of water running out of the mountain where there not normally would be water. Must mean there's a good bit of moisture up in there still. I actually think I know where this little creek's running out of. I'll post a picture or maybe a little clip of video right here. We've got a really cool bridge up above it, if it's where I think it is. Very cool. Holy, there's some really big eagles checking me out. Actually, those aren't that big, but they're big enough. Hope those come through on the camera because they're pretty cool. The big one in the front, that's probably a male, I'm gonna guess. He's probably trying to get lucky. Cool. I'm really digging all this water I'm seeing because that means that fall is close. Even though we got a hot week ahead of us, 30 degrees, I think they're saying, you could still see that the water's still, you know, that's my favorite time of the year to go riding is the fall. Hands down the best season to ride a dirt bike. The next couple rainfalls we get are likely going to be the ones that stick around for the remainder of the season until we get snow. So that means the ground will hold the moisture and it's just the best traction. I just love it. So I'm very looking forward to the next couple of weeks. So yeah, you guys, I definitely appreciate everybody checking out all my stuff. Definitely like the button right here. If you guys are new to my channel, hit the little red button because it's totally free and it always helps the channel out. Let's help it grow. So check out the description as well, like this picture, the drop down arrow, you guys. There's links to my website and, you know, YouTube's there. Also in the description is my new mail address, so if you guys have envelopes or anything to send me, you can send them on over there. So yeah, I appreciate you guys checking out all my stuff. Drop some comments as well and an old thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Right on.